He smiled faintly as his opponent seemed dejected. He touched his chest in a seemingly silent prayer and looked up. Holding back tears, he put the pieces back in their place, which some called his signature style.
Don't cry, it's okay.
No, cry.
This is the moment Gukesh Domaraju became the youngest world chess champion in history. Gukesh was born in Chennai, Tamil Nadu on 29th May 2006 to microbiologist Dr. Padma Kumari and ENT surgeon Dr. Rajnikant, who met in college and fell in love. He was just 7 years old when he started playing chess. He was introduced to the game at his school, Vellamal, which trained more than 2,000 players in 2 decades. A Vijay Sethupathi fan, the young prodigy relied on funny Tamil movies and daily meditation to de-stress. God-fearing as he was known to be, Gukesh took a meditative stance, seemingly shutting the world out for a minute before beginning his games. He stopped attending school full-time after class 4 to focus on the board game. His school and parents came to an agreement by which Gukesh would only have to appear for exams. But he wasn't the only one adjusting to a new lifestyle. His father, Rajnikant, left his job as a surgeon to accompany him in tournaments, and his mother, Padma, became the sole breadwinner, working overtime and covering shifts for colleagues, and sometimes waiting alone at home for long periods when Gukesh and his dad were away fighting chess battles. Even as he focused on the game, his parents' sacrifices weren't lost on him. He said, "We were not a very well-off family, so they had to face a lot of financial struggles. My parents had to make many lifestyle changes just for me to play tournaments. They made the most sacrifices." His father recalled how at one tournament in Denmark, they couldn't afford a cab, so they borrowed a cycle from the hotel they stayed at. Dr. Rajnikant rode the cycle for about 4 kilometers from the official hotel to the tournament venue in freezing temperatures as Gukesh sat clinging to his dad's bag on the carrier. For the longest time, Gukesh didn't have a sponsor and would rely on prize money and his parents' crowdfunding campaigns to fuel his chess dreams. India had started getting chess fever since Vishwanathan Anand's exemplary performances in the game, and Gukesh, who resolved to become the world champion after watching his idol Vishwanathan lose to Magnus Carlsen as a 7-year-old, contributed heavily to the rising popularity of the game. He belonged to what was called the golden generation of Indian chess, alongside peers such as Pragananda, his sister Vaishali, Arjun Erigaisi, and others. His humility put him at the top of his mental coach Paddy Upton's list of athletes that he worked with. Paddy said Gukesh is a champion human being away from the board. Gukesh usually seemed composed in his public appearances, even while registering the fact that he was the new world champ in chess and the youngest in chess history, no less. One could tell he knew he's the new world champion, taking some time to absorb the fact that the dream he saw as a 7-year-old had now come true.
This moment, was the reason why I woke up.